Welcome to the Spotlight from Hiperwall on HiperAccess. HiperAccess is a powerful user authentication tool that provides robust user access control, tracking tools, and authorization levels. An admin user account creates user accounts in the controller. The first admin account is created during system setup at first launch. To add users to HiperAccess, click on the HiperAccess tab. In this video, the admin account is already created. Click the Administrator button. The HiperAccess Management window appears. Click Manage Users. Click New User. In the New User window, enter the Hiperwall user's first name, last name, and username. Click Set Password. Enter the user's password in the Set Password window. Click OK. Click the Save or Save and Close button, and the new user appears in the Manage Users window. Permissions are assigned manually or by joining the user account to a group. By default, the new user account belongs to the users group, which has no configured permissions. To configure permissions to the users group, first click Manage Groups, then select the users group, then click Manage Permissions. In the Manage Group Permissions window, select the permissions you would like the group to have. Click Save and Close. Alternatively, you can assign the new user account to a predefined group with pre-configured permissions. To do this, click on the desired group, click on the user account, then click Add. Click Save and Close when done. Click on the Messages tab to view the activity log. The status log records user actions performed on the system and is a great tool for tracking and accountability. HiperAccess is included in our premium suite and is available as an add-on to HyperController systems.